Emerging from the cave on the secret island, Nehan, Rongu, Onik and Vor discovered that another valuable treasure was hidden nearby. But to reach it, they must embark on a perilous sea journey filled with dangers.
The waves are rising continuously. The storm is coming.
This is the real challenge.
Hold on to each other. The storm.
As the storm raged fiercely, suddenly a giant sea serpent emerged from the deep blue waters. Its eyes blazing fire, body covered with terrifying scales. But fear didn't win. This time, their courage and wit saved them.
Shine the light into its eyes. Its eyes are its weakness.
4.
Give the light, quickly! Here, look right into its eyes.
After overcoming the storm and the serpent's terror, they find a massive ancient rock standing silently in the sea. Mysterious inscription carved on the rock seem like a centuries-old secret message.
There are 3 trials. The puzzle of wisdom, the test of courage, and the trial of unity.
After surviving the storm and the terrifying sea serpent, Nehan, Rongu, Onik, and Vor deciphered the mystery of the ancient inscription and move forward to a new challenge. Ahead lies the puzzle of wisdom, which they must solve together by combining their minds.
If we can't solve this riddle, we won't pass the next test.
Let's see what the first question is.
Everyone focus. Together we can do this.
Together, they worked on the first riddle and realized that only through cooperation could they move forward. As they solved the puzzle, a mysterious door inside the cave slowly creaked open. Ahead awaited the next challenge, one of courage.
Now comes the test of courage. We must conquer our fears.
I don't know what's in the darkness.
Fear doesn't mean stopping.
Having conquered darkness and fear, they now face third challenge, the test of unity. Here, their trust and cooperation with each other is the ultimate trial. Success will unlock the cave's final secret.
Our unity is our strength.
We are together.
Without friendship and trust, this test is impossible to pass.
Facing storms and dangers, Nehan, Rongu, Onik, and Vor learned that true treasure isn't gold. Courage, wisdom, and the power of unity are life's greatest riches. Their friendship's story will continue with new adventures and challenges ahead, because friendship is their greatest treasure.
Want to stay with us on more adventures? Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel!
And share today's episode with your friends.